Ever wondered how millionaires actually build their wealth? It's not just about luck or big salaries. It's about habits. Yes, the way you handle money every single day determines whether you'll stay broke or become financially free. So if you want to build wealth and become a millionaire, here are 5 money habits you need to start right now. Habit number 1. Spend less than you earn. Sounds simple, right? But most people fail at this. They earn more and spend more. Millionaires, they earn more and invest more. They don't waste money on things they don't need. They live below their means and let their money grow. So ask yourself, are you spending wisely? Or are you just keeping up with the lifestyle you can't afford? Habit number 2. Invest early and often. Millionaires don't just save money, they make money work for them. How? By investing. Stocks, real estate businesses. They understand that money grows over time. Even investing just $500 per month could turn into millions in a few decades. The secret? Start early. Stay consistent. Let compound interest do the work. Habit number 3. Multiple sources of income. Most millionaires don't just rely on one job. They have multiple income streams. This could be a side business, investments, freelancing, passive income like rental properties or dividends. The more sources you have, the faster you build wealth. If your job disappears tomorrow, do you have another way to make money? If not, it's time to build one. Habit number 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad. Millionaires use debt to make money. They take loans for investments, like real estate or business, but they avoid credit card debt, expensive car loans, payday loans. They know that high-interest debt traps you in financial slavery. So if you want to be rich, ditch the debt that doesn't grow your wealth. Habit number 5. Keep learning about money. The rich never stop learning. They read books on finance. They follow successful investors. They understand how money works. Because the more you know, the more you grow. If you don't control your money, someone else will. So start today. Educate yourself, build wealth, and take control of your future. Final thought. Becoming a millionaire isn't magic. It's about consistent money habits. Spend wisely. Invest early. Build multiple income streams. Avoid bad debt. Keep learning. Now tell me, which habit are you starting today? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more money-making tips, check out our next video. How to turn $100 into $10,000 in 1 year. Stay smart. Stay rich. This is Spireverse.